Can we ask about yourself?
Sure, Naila and Nadila. You can ask me anything.
Okay, thank you, Kak. First question, what is your full name and where do you live?
My full name is Adrian Evan Lanuata and I'm from 12
Oh, okay. What is your nickname?
You can call me Kak Adrian or Adrian or Rian.
Hi, Kak Adrian. Nice to meet you. When you was born and how old are you?
Nice to meet you too. I was born on September 8th, 2005 and so I'm 19 years old.
Oh, wow. Where do you live?
I live in Kalideres, West Jakarta.
Okay. Which child and from how many siblings?
I'm the first children of two siblings. Okay.
Okay. What is your dream?
My dream is to become a doctor and maybe to become a volunteer about healthy and healthcare priority.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rendang or the every food with chocolate and the sweet food.
Oh, okay. Last question. What is your favorite colors?
My favorite color is sky blue because it's calming and relax.
Okay. Thank you very much for your answer and have a good day. See you next time, everyone.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Bye. See you.